Welcome to the next session of the topic Theory of Attributes. In this video, we are doing problems in consistency of the data. So first problem 1. Examine the consistency of the following data. So we are given capital N is equal to 1000, frequency of A is equal to 600, frequency of B is equal to 500 and frequency of AB is equal to 150. Now we have to examine the consistency of the given data. Now the solution of the given problem is as follows. So we have to find frequency of alpha beta. Frequency of alpha beta can be written as capital N minus frequency of A minus frequency of B plus frequency of AB. And the value of N is 1000 and frequency of A value is 600. Frequency of B value is 500 and frequency of AB is 50. So after the calculation, so 1050 minus 1100. We get here minus 50. So this is negative value, that means less than 0. So frequency of alpha beta, we get the value is minus 50, that value is less than 0. So this means the given data, the given frequencies are inconsistent. So here, since frequency of alpha beta is less than 0, the given data are inconsistent. And this is the first problem. And next problem 2. Among the adult population of a certain town, 50% are males, 60% are wage earners and 50% are 45 years of age or over. 10% of the males are not wage earners and 40% of the males are under 45. Now we have to make the best possible inference about the limits within which the percentage of persons, those are males or females, of 45 years of age or over, those are wage earners. Now first, we are denoting the attributes. Now the solution of the given problem is, here we have to take attributes. Let attribute A be denoted by males and attribute B, so that is denoted by wage earners. And attribute C, so this can be expressed as the term 45 years of age or over. So these are the three attributes. Now in this problem we are given the values. So that is 50%, 60% and 50%. So these values are in percentages. So the given values are in percentages. Therefore, the class frequency, total class frequency, capital N value is 100. Now, we have to write in notations. Frequency of A. So, that is denoted by males. Those are 50%. So, that means 50. And frequency of B, 60% are wage earners. Wage earners can be denoted by the attribute B. So that is frequency of B is equal to 60. Frequency of C, 45 years of age or over. So those are 50%. So that is 50. And the given class frequencies are in percentages. Then we have to take capital N is equal to 100. In the next slide, we are find out 10% of the males are not wage earners and 40% of the males are under 45. I am writing the given values here. We are given capital N is equal to 100. Frequency of A is equal to 50. Frequency of B is equal to 60. Frequency of C is equal to 50. Now we have to find out 10% of the males are not wage earners. So that means 10 divided by 100 into males are 50. This is equal. So males are not wage earners can be represented as A beta. Now, after the calculation, we get the value here. Frequency of A beta value is here only 5. And in the next step, we are given 40%. 40% of the males are under the age 45. So that means males are under 45 years of age. So that means males can be represented by the letter A. Age over 45 years, that can be represented as the attribute C. Under the age is 45 years, that can be represented by the complementary attribute of C, that is gamma. So frequency of A gamma is equal to 40% of the males. That means 40 by 100 into 50. Here we get 20. Now we have to find out based on frequency of A beta and frequency of A gamma values. We have to find out the frequency of AB and frequency of AC. Now we have to find out frequency of AB is equal to frequency of AB can be expressed as frequency of A minus frequency of A beta. So the value of frequency of A is 50 minus frequency of A beta value is 5. 50 minus 5, we get the value 45. And next we have to find out frequency of AC. Frequency of AC can be written as frequency of A minus frequency of A gamma. Frequency of A value is again for 50 minus frequency of A gamma value is 20. 50 minus 20. So this is 30. In the given problem, we have to make the best possible inference about the limits within the percentage of persons of 45 years of age or over. Those are wage earners. So now we are required to find wage earners. So those are 45 years of age or over. So we are required to find frequency of BC. We have to find out frequency of BC. So here we are using the consistency conditions. Now the conditions of consistency. Those are first condition. So that is frequency of AB plus frequency of BC plus frequency of AC, which is greater than or equal to frequency of A plus frequency of B plus frequency of C minus N. So we are given the values in the problem. We are given frequency of A is 50, frequency of B value is 60, so frequency of C is 50. In the previous slide, we have to find out frequency of AB value, so that value is 45, and frequency of AC value, so that value is 30. And N, capital N is 100. Now we have to substitute all these values in these consistency conditions. Now we get frequency of AB, frequency of AC value here. So now we have to rewrite this condition like this: frequency of BC is greater than or equal to frequency of A plus frequency of B plus frequency of C minus N. You have to shifted frequency of AB in the right hand side, then we get frequency of minus frequency of AB minus here frequency of AC. Now frequency of BC is greater than or equal to frequency of A value is 50, frequency of B value is 60, frequency of C is 50 minus N is 100 minus frequency of AB is 45 minus frequency of AC is 30. So here we get minus 15. So therefore frequency of BC is greater than or equal to minus 15. So this is first equation. So and the second consistency condition, that is frequency of AB plus frequency of AC minus frequency of BC is less than or equal to frequency of A. So again, frequency of BC is greater than or equal to frequency of AB plus frequency of AC minus frequency of A. So now substituting the values frequency of AB, frequency of AC minus frequency of A. In this relation, we get frequency of AB value is 45 plus frequency of AC is 30 minus frequency of A is 50. 75 minus 50. We get 25. So therefore, frequency of BC is greater than or equal to 25. So this is second condition. So in the first condition, we get the frequency of BC is greater than minus 15. So this is first condition. In the second condition, we get the value of frequency of BC is greater than or equal to 25. Now we are taking the third condition. So that is frequency of AB plus frequency of BC minus frequency of AC, which is less than or equal to frequency of B. So again, frequency of BC is less than or equal to frequency of B plus frequency of AC minus frequency of AB. Again, this is equal to frequency of B value is 60, frequency of AC is 30, minus frequency of AB is 45. Here we get 90 minus 45. We get 45. So therefore, frequency of BC is less than or equal to 45. So this is equation 3. Now we have to find out fourth condition. Frequency of AC plus frequency of BC minus frequency of AB is less than or equal to frequency of C. Now frequency of BC, so this expression can be written as frequency of BC is less than or equal to frequency of C plus frequency of AB minus frequency of AC. So frequency of C value is 50 plus frequency of AB is 45, frequency of AC is 30. Again 95 minus 30. So this is 65. So therefore we get frequency of BC is less than or equal to 65. So this is the fourth relation. Here we get from 1 to 4 equations. First condition, we get frequency of BC is greater than or equal to minus 15. Frequency of BC is greater than or equal to 25. So this can be obtained by first consistency condition, and this value can be obtained by the second consistency condition. And the third consistency condition is frequency of BC is less than or equal to 45. From fourth, frequency of BC is less than or equal to 65. So from 1 and 1 to 4 conditions, we have to write down 25 is less than or equal to frequency of BC is less than or equal to 45. Here select the highest number between lower limits. So that means BC is greater than or equal to minus 15 and BC is greater than or equal to 25. So we have to select the highest number between the lower limit and select the least number between the upper limits. That means frequency of BC is less than or equal to 45 and BC is less than or equal to 65. So in these two situations, the least number is 45. So therefore, from 1 to 4 situations, we have to write down the limits, frequency of VC limits like this. 25 is less than or equal to frequency of VC less than or equal to 45. Hence, the percentage of wage earners or wage earning population of 45 years of age or over must lie between 25 and 45. So this is the second problem solution. Thank you.